Can you use VPN with Starlink? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be answering a common question. Can you use a VPN with Starlink? So if you are using Starlink and live in a country where certain streaming services like Netflix are restricted, or if you simply want a VPN for other purposes, this video will guide you through the process. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with one of the frequently asked question. Does a VPN work with the Starlink internet? So since Starlink is a satellite-based internet service, it offers high-speed, low-latency broadband particularly in remote areas. The good news is yes, VPN can work with satellite internet, but there are some few things to keep in mind. The first thing is data limits. Satellite internet usually has lower data caps compared to traditional broadband, so using a VPN may consume more bandwidth. And now, moving on with the second thing, that is VPN protocols. To reduce data usage, it's recommended to use lighter VPN protocols like L2TP or IPsec or PPTP. And the final thing is latency issue. Since satellite internet naturally has higher latency, this may affect your VPN's performance. And now, to address the main question, can you use a VPN with SpaceX Starlink? Yes, you absolutely can. A VPN can help encrypt your internet traffic and allow access to blocked content in your region. However, not all VPN perform the same with Starlink, so you might need to test a few providers to find the one that works best for you. And for wondering about the best VPN for Starlink, PureVPN is a great option. So if you are interested, you can find the download link below. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.